Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's try to understand what are the built-in list functions in Python. So where we can use them to manipulate our code, modify our code, add the elements, remove the elements, and do some sort of operations even. So let's try to see what are those about. So first, if you have a list, you are supposed to add the elements into the list. So there are three functions for adding the elements into the list. So those are nothing but append, insert, and extend. So then what is the difference between these three? So append basically does adding the value at last. So insert is like flexible. Wherever you want to add the element, you can add it over there. So extend is nothing but like extend works on group of values. Let's say if you have an array of 5 elements, all those 5 elements, if you want to add it to the current list, you can do that. So like extend works only on iterable. So next we'll say something like removing even. So for removing, there are other three functions: pop, remove, and clear. So like pop is basically like by default that would be removing the last value, or even if you want to remove the value from a index, you can provide that index to the pop functionality and you can remove that respective value. So remove is nothing but, let's say I have a fruits array, I want to remove the value mango from that. So like specifically an item, if you want to remove, you can go for this remove functionality. When you go for clear, all the items in that respective list would be cleared. So next, let's go for other functions. Like what do we have? So those are nothing but like count, index, reverse, sort, and copy. So count is nothing but if you want to find the number of occurrences of an element, we go for count. So if you want to find where the element is present in the given list, we go for index. If you want to reverse the order of your elements, we go for reverse. Sort basically works in either ascending as well as in descending order. It also works on strings. It also works on numeric values. It also even works on list of lists even. So copy is nothing but like you just take the copy of the existing list and you want to modify the other list so that the original would be all the time same. So do not worry, each and every function we'll be discussing in a separate video in the upcoming videos. So let's try to understand all these functions in detail. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.